And in Tibet they say that 24 aspects of the freedoms and advantages. Therefore I'm asked, in English is correct, 34 aspects of the freedoms and advantages, because we already checked this one for the human qualities, human abilities. And before we studied, there's 8 freedoms, and like 3 Lord Alamas, long live God, and barbarian, so on, there's 8. And then after there's 2 groups of the 8 freedoms. One is like the circumstance, the intrusive, and the other one is the 8 groups, you call the incomparable propensities. Then it's together 3 8 groups, 24. Then it's 10 advantages, it's 34. And this 34 aspect of the human qualities, and if we do have them, all of them, and then rejoice ourselves, we need to say, I'm happy, and reflect deeply on them over and over, again and again. That is really very important. And these qualities are in doubt with me. Do I have these 34 human qualities? If we have like this, then it's like we can easily enter into the practice Dharma, and also it's like we should be glad. Remind yourself how it is, how that you have finally again these freedoms and advantages that are so difficult to find. You are not going to squander them. And like squander is like kind of the way of the useless way. And we need to useful this statement. Whatever happens, you are going to practice the true Dharma. And in this, just the opportunity, this moment, this great the achievement, this great statement. And during this achievement, we need to do something. And before they said, it's like we in this now, like go up or the down. So it's very much the frontier or the front. It is like we go up or the down. In everything's in our hand. And one is we realize that to understand these 34 human qualities, then we are really absolutely great achievement. And these achievements give to us good condition, and good condition to go to the liberation. And that is like, maybe this is like Lamas say something like this. Maybe in the Buddhist perspective say like this. Maybe they kind of the exaggerated, or maybe they say like this, but I don't need to care. Maybe, of course, we don't need to care, but sometimes to a little bit to analyze like this, and we understand how we have quality. And sometimes like this, human's mind is inconceivable. For example, sometimes you have a good family, good partner, good societies. You never appreciate that. You don't recognize that. And you think, yeah, why not? Everything is like this. But then you separated or something lost, then you understand like qualities of these families, then you're missing it. And like this situation is big education. Probably you already saw that in England there's one film very, very good. Two brothers exchanging, two brothers. There was two brothers and they married two wives. But in the two brothers, old brother is a very kind man and very in the house, clean the house, make food, children bring into the school, collect, work together. But his wife is absolutely lazy and to sleep and want to go outside and like this, but he bear like this. But he never recognized this kindness. And the younger brother is a horrible guy, and he is quite rich, but he go to the work, come back, he has electronic gadgets rooms, and he immediately go to there, and then it's like the wife is really, she take care of children, clean and house and making food, even sometimes, hey, give me like something to drink, like a Coca-Cola or something, beers, and he's all the time with electronic gadgets. And she says like a little bit, you work, then if you don't work, you can go, I can't change my wife, that's also. And he do not recognize how is kind his wife. And then one day they say it's exchanged. And like very nicely, say, okay, the old brothers took the young brother's wife, and old wives took the young brothers. Then they went to different to stay. And then is the young brother, the wife was the old brother. They are 1 month, it's like hell. And criticize, and then his old brother's wife says, when I came to back my husband, now I understand this situation, now I understand my husband's qualities. And then it's like younger brothers is, look, if I have this kind of wife, what can I do? Oh, now I understand my wife's kindness, qualities. Now they are really to hurry. 1 month is really like almost many years. But old brother, young brothers, the wife, they together like pure land, because both is very gentle, both is taking care. And finally they say, please, this young brother and old the brother's wife say, come back, my husband, wife. The two others say, no, please stay there more. We want to stay there. And then afterwards, and the young brothers also, now I recognize really how it is the qualities. Then it's like old brother's wife is come back, she says, now I understand my husband's qualities. Like this, sometimes we do not understand our own qualities. We are not much appreciate. You know, and therefore many people, human beings, making suicide, making like kind of lot of problems, and also this is necessary. It's not only the Dharma teaching. It's the Buddha's to say like this, it's a wonderful, fantastic, to telling to ours, you have this kind of quality, you have special jewels. And also this is a wonderful things. We have a jewel of the body, we have jewel of the speech, we have the jewel of the mind. And of course in our mind is the very much extraordinary mind. It is like in our mind, it has a seed of the Buddha. And we have like kind of, if we to put effort, if we can to study, if we really to put in the liberation path, and we can to become the Buddhahood. And the Buddha says, why you all the time rely on the something? Why you take refuge in the something? And why you do like this? First time is he become enlightened man, he's coming to his like a colleague of the Sanghas. And then it's like he was become very spacious. And maybe they said, you received something? He said, no. Then how you become like this? I found in my heart. They don't believe, it's difficult to believe. And then he says, why you all the time to something, to looking externally, but yourself you have inside the Buddha nature. That is, I discovered my own Buddha nature. Therefore, really it's like a reality. We have our own precious quality, like a potential, our own potential of the qualities that we can to making the manifestations. It's a wonderful, fantastic, and therefore even that is currently we obtain the human existence. Is wonderful how it is like this, and on this or rely on this, we need to do something to good things, appreciate and nice. Should you find, however, what some aspects are the missing, if there's something missing and there's a problem, maybe we need to collect this. Try to acquire them by whatever means may be possible, to different use the methods, and to to make the completed the 34 human qualities, and like this. And at all times, you should take like pains to examine, pay like kind of carefully whether or not you have all elements of the freedom and advantages. And it's like really it's like completed in the human existence, like kind of my freedom, I have all the advantages. This is to like check again and look over again and again. Then it's like if you fail to check, and then any one of those elements should be lacking. And one of this like kind of the lack of problems, you will be missing the chance to practice the Dharma truly. And inside something, this is like why not? It is like why I need this all the 34 human qualities in order to practice Dharma. We cannot to complain, we cannot to say. For example, all the time, I'm a pancake guy, a teller of the pancake. But if we want to make the pancake, maybe there's missing milk, maybe missing flour, missing salt, maybe something is missing, the pancake is not delicious. We cannot do the pancake. Small things like this. Of course, we need to do good things, and also it's like some certain circumstances, and we need it. Therefore, to truly practice Dharma authentically, genuinely, and like this. This is like kind of to give to ours to practice truly like Dharma, and therefore sometimes to time to check. Even if we don't practice Dharma, maybe if you have the knowledge of these 34 human qualities of the human existence, and maybe we can make very happy. Wow, wonderful, my achievement is fantastic. I met one monk, and he was a very rich family, and then the family was very happy, he became the monk. And they bring into the monastery, and they build a very nice chalet and give food and very nice. And then his bed, there is a carpet, everything. And he was there, it's like, of course, many years studied, but sometimes on your bed, carpet, if there's falling some seed of the barley or the rice, he said, it's disturbed to me. And he did like this. And then afterwards, the revolution's finished. Of course, he's quite rich family, a lot of problems. And then later, he married one woman. And I'm appreciate very much. He told me some is like a Tibetan language. And we talking. And he said now, he's not very that rich, of course. And his mat is like yak leather, very dirty, and the sleeping bag is almost just like full of the dirty things, but he's sleeping there, and he said, it's comfortable. But now I understand when I was in the monastery how much is like comfortable, but I never appreciate that. And all the times how I can to marry, how I can to go to to connect to the ladies. Now I have lady, I have children, but these conditions, now I remember, how I was happy, but it's not very happy. Many sometimes like this, we have high, everything is comfortable, everything's perfect, we complain, we argue, we are like kind of fighting, we never appreciate. In this perspective, if we understood our freedoms, our advantages, maybe if even we don't practice, but we appreciate that, maybe we can to make happy ourselves. It is also thanks for the Dharma teachings. This is the wonderful. Of course, we can to practice the authentic Dharma. There are some circumstances, advantages. It's necessary. Here is the example. After the all said, even the execution of a single manner everyday task require many mutually dependent material and the conditions to be brought together. And that means it's like even we need to do something. It is like a single manner, everyday task, something. How much is required, many different, like kind of mutually dependent on the materials. As we can to say the pancake, even we made to the like kind of coffee, tea, and small things. If like we want to make delicious coffee, maybe if there is water but no coffee, we cannot make. We need to stop there. And the small things like this is something missing. We cannot do properly. And like this in the human existence, and we need to do some important things. Of course, we need different freedoms, different advantages. That is the obvious. Then it is any wonder that realization of our ultimate goals, ultimate goal. This is the telling the true ultimate goal. We say, I want to practice Dharma. That means I'm going to change my movement of the body, speech, mind bring into the positive paths. If we bring into the positive path, then there is the development. You know, the good body, good speech, good mind. And then is the ultimate goal, it is to be the enlightenment. That is the principal goal, is like this. And with this kind of like ultimate goal of the Dharma, to be enlightenment, of course we need. It is impossible without the conjunction of the any interconnected the factors, interconnected the factors. Like a kind of there is a conjunction between the samsaras, nirvanas, and between the like kind of ordinary and to the liberation stage. And there is like kind of the interconnect factors. There are many different causes and conditions to need to connect it. Even we need to connect our internet, how many cables, how many routes, how many we need connected, we need. It's not easy, but we don't need to complain to say, oh yeah, why they are counting the 34 like human qualities, why I need to, I can to do it, but also to something important to do, we need these things.